Kia ora tātou, just setting up the Facebook camera. Okay, ka pai. Kia ora no tātou, nau mai hoki mai ki tō tātou wānanga Kapahaka for Kids. Welcome back to Kapahaka for Kids. It is Poi Wednesday. Yes, so if you don't have a poi ready, you're going to need one today. And if you don't have poi lying around the house, then you're going to need to improvise. And you can improvise the fastest way is if you quickly go and get your longest pair of socks, grab some other socks, stuff them in at the top, and then you can tie it off to make the ball at the top, or like I've done here, I've just used a hair tie. So you are going to need poi today. We won't be starting for another couple of minutes, so if you don't have poi ready, you can go and get your poi ready now, ka pai? And I'll see you back here in just a couple of minutes. Kia ora tātou. And by a couple of minutes, I mean now. Alright, let's check the settings over here. I think we're all good. It's a very sunny day today. So unfortunately, whānau, that's as good as I can get the words, to be honest. Trying everything we can to improve the quality of those words, but the TV being as old as it is, the laptop being as old as it is, and just the sunniness. Yeah, sorry guys. And kia ora to you too from Australia. Welcome to all of our Australian whānau. We know we have a lot of Sydney whānau and a lot of Melbourne whānau, and I'm pretty sure there's a couple checking in from Perth as well. So kia ora, welcome everybody. If you're tuning in from the Wairarapa this morning because you heard Matua Whaitiri's interview on More FM over in the Wairarapa, then welcome. Nau mai hara mai ki tēnei o ngā tātou wānanga. Welcome to our little group. Kia ora. We're going to kick off today with our karakia, kei hea tō tātou karakia. Here we go. Tēnā koutou tamariki mā, tēnā koe matua whaitiri. Morena atamari e, tēnā koutou, nau mai haere mai. We'll start off with our karakia, very, very easy. Put your hands together just like this and say it after me. Kia hora, te marino, kia whakapapa, pounamu, te moana, kia tere, te karohirohi, i mua, i tō huarahi, tihei mauri ora, tihei mauri ora. Ka pai. Let's try it together. You and I at the same time. Hands ready. Toru wha. Kia hora te marino, kia whakapapa pounamu te moana, kia tere te karohirohi, i mua i tō huarahi. Tihei mauri ora. Ka pai, nau mai hara mai. Good to start the day with a karakia. Whakamahana i tō tātou reo to warm up our voices. Get our mouths nice and active to make those correct Māori sounds. Aha ka mana para taua ngā whā. E heke mene pere te wenge whē. Bit louder. I hiki mini piri ti wingi whi. O hoko mono poro tō ongo whā. Your vowel sounds. A, e, I, o, u. Uhukumunu puru tuumufu. Kia ora. One more time, super fast. Toru wha. Ahaka mana para tawanga wha. E heke mene piri te wingi whe. I hiki mini piri ti wingi whi. O hoko mono puru tō ongo wha. Your vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, U. Uhukumunu burutu umufu. Joyce. Morena Jordan. Kia ora, my man. How was outside's activities this morning? Good?
It doesn't have the. They missed about 5 or 10 pieces.
Okay, we'll sort it out later. Here we go. Paki, 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 tamariki ma. Get your clap on. Paki, 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 tamariki ma. E oma, e oma, e oma, tamariki ma. E oma, e oma, e oma, tamariki ma. Kani, 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 tamariki ma. Kani, kani. Kani, 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 tamarikima, epeke, tamarikima, bit louder, epeke, tamarikima, emoe, 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 tamarikima, hairikite moe. Emoe, emoe, tamarikima. Don't go to sleep for real, though. I need you for kapahaka. Hey, stay with me. Okay. So here we go. We've got a few waiata to go through before we start our poi, because these are going to be our poi waiata for today. Ka poi? So this first little one here, very easy. It's called He Poi Fati Fati. And if you can see, it follows a pretty easy pattern. So say the words after me. He poi fati fati. He poi kori koria. He poi kori koria. He poi kani kani. He poi kani kani. Mene mene. Mene mene. Pukanae. Pukanae. Ka poi. One more time. Say it after me. He poi fati fati. He poi fati fati. He poi kori koria. He poi kori koria. He poi kani kani. He poi kani kani. Mene mene pukanae. Mene mene pukanae. Kia ora. Let's sing it. You sing it after me. You ready? Okay. Hey, boy, fati, fati, eh. Your turn. Hey, boy, fati, fati, eh. Ka poi, ka poi. Hey, boy, kori, koria. Hey, boy, kori, koria. He poi kani kani mene mene pukanae. Your turn. He poi kani kani mene mene pukanae. Easy. I told you it was easy. Hey, nobody cares. So, here we go. Let's do the whole song twice. You and me at the same time. He poi toru fa. Hey, boy, fati, fati, eh. Hey, boy, kori. Hey, boy, kori, koria. Hey, boy, kani, kani. Hey, boy, kani, kani, mene, mene, pukanae. One more. He poi kani kani mene mene pukanae. Kia ora. Ka irunga no atu koutou. Ka raue. That's he poi fati fati. Easy, eh? Alright, let's move on to our next little waiata. This one is called Poi Poi. And again, I'll say it, you say it after me. And when we are just talking it through, what I'm listening for is your pronunciation. I want to hear you saying those words nice and clear. All right? Good. If you're struggling to see the words kei te pai, you can just hear me saying it. All right? Here we are. Poi poi ye. Poi poi ye. Poi poi ye. Poi poi ye. Rereatu. 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 Poi poi ye. Poi poi ye. Yes. Did you see the pattern in there? You did? All right, let's try it one more time, eh? After me. Poi poi ye. Poi poi ye. Poi poi ye. Poi poi ye. Rereatu, rereatu. Rereatu, rereatu. Poi poi ye. Poi poi ye. Ka poi. Ti patu patua. Ti patu patua. Ti patu mai. Ti patu mai. Rereatu, rereatu. See that rereatu is the same as the first one? Yeah. Ti patu mai. Ti patu mai. Yeah, you saw the pattern from the first one, eh? Ka poi. It's not getting anything past you, so one more time after me. Ti patu patua. Ti patu patua. Ti patu mai. Ti patu mai. Rereatu, rereatu. Rereatu, rereatu. Ti patu mai. Ti patu mai. Ka poi. Now this last line is probably one of the hardest lines that you'll ever learn in kapa haka. Ka poi. It's very tricky. And I'm only going to say it 15 times. Okay? So get ready. Whakarongo mai. Titiro mai. Oe, oe. Hey, hey, ha. Yeah, it's pretty tricky. It's pretty tricky. So we'll do it again. Stay with me. Oe, oe. Oe, oe. Hey, hey, ha. Hey, hey, ha. Oh, look, I can sense you're struggling with this, so we'll do it one more time. Okay? Here we go. Oe, oe. Oe, oe. Hey, hey, ha. Hey, hey, ha. Ka poi. You got it. You ready to sing? All right. Let's sing it twice, yeah? Twice through. But as you can see, these first two lines, you got to sing them twice. And that last tricky line, you got to sing it. That's right. 4 times. E fa. Toru. Fa. Poi poi e. Poi poi e. Rereatu. Poi poi e. Poi poi e. Poi poi e. Rereatu, poi poi e. Ti patu patua, ti patu mai. Rereatu, ti patu mai. Again. Ti patu patua, ti patu mai. Rereatu, ti patu mai. Owe, 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 hey, hey, ha. 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 Ah, kia ora tātou, ka pai. Easy song, hey. Poi poi e, he poi whati whati, ereretaku poi. Pūreru hua, we'll jam those way into this morning for our poi. Ka pai? So, tamariki ma, it's that time. Grab your poi. I've got 2 poi to choose from today, so I might use a little bit of both throughout the day. Here we go. Let's start with Ereretaku poi. As we go through today's session, I might drop a little bit of tikanga on you, eh? A little bit of poi tikanga. So first of all, the poi should be in the hand that you write with. Okay, so if you're right-handed, poi in your right hand. If you're left-handed, poi in your left hand. I'm going to go poi in my left hand today just because. So here we go. Ereretaku poi. Now I want you to spin your poi. Ah, kia ora. Don't spin it too fast. And don't spin it too slow. Spin it just right, yeah? Get it just right. So here we go. Toru, fa. Ereretaku poi, kirunga, kirunga. Ereretaku poi, kiraro, kiraro. Erererunga, erereraro, erereroto, ererewaho, ereretaku poi, ereretaku poi kirunga, kiraro, kiroto, kiwahoe. Ah, karawe. That's a beautiful little song, eh? Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Now, some of you might be thinking, Matua Whaitiri, is there a right or wrong way to be spinning my poi? And yeah, there is actually. So it goes like this. If you are right-handed, when you spin your poi should be traveling clockwise. That's the way that the hands move on the clock. Ka pai? So if you're right-handed, you're spinning clockwise. And if you're left-handed, anti-clockwise. Ka pai? You're going the other way around the clock. All right? And the reason for that will make sense when we move on to our second move, which is the catch. But for now, let's do our Ereretaku poi. Get your poi spinning. Check right-handed that you're going clockwise. Toru, fa. Ereretaku poi, kirunga, kirunga. Ereretaku poi, kiraro, kiraro. Erererunga, erereraro, erereroto, ererewaho, ereretaku poi, kirunga, kiraro, kiroto, kiwahoe. Ah, mauri ora kia koutou. So, holding your poi in your right hand, I want you to spin your poi and then let it stop on its own. Now that the poi is stopped, you can see it stopped, pointing to the ground. Yeah, that's gravity. That's Papa Tuanuku asking the poi to finish in this position. So take your supporting hand, bring it in from the side, and catch. This is our poi catching position. All right? Now, the reason why right-handed people need to be spinning clockwise is that when you spin your poi into the catch, you're landing into the palm of your hand. Into the palm of your hand. If I was to spin the other way, I'm on the wrong side. Yeah. So here we go. Toru, catch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ka pai. Let's do that a second time, but this time close your eyes. Are you ready? No peeking. Toru, fa, catch, tahi, rua, toru, fa, rima, ono, fitu, waru, iwa, teko. Ka pai. How did you get on with your eyes closed? Fantastic. That's a good effort. Let's go. 4 catches, then we'll go into our rainbow spin, yeah? Toru, fa, catch, tahi, rua, toru, fa. Spin, tahi, rua, toru, fa. Catch, tahi, rua, toru, fa. Spin, tahi, rua, toru, fa. Purere hua, toru, fa. Purere hua, rere hau. Papaki parira urere hau. Kapiki rungarawai. Papaki parira urere hau. Kapiki rungarawai. Papaki parira urere hau. Ah, how did you get on? Yeah, I know. Easy move, eh? Easy as. So would you like to move on to something a little bit more challenging? You would? All right, let's do it. So, check your poi, shoulder width or less, and the hand that you write with. I'm going to ask you to place that poi over the same shoulder, yeah? Supporting hand goes out in front, not too close, not too far away, just right. Lay that poi over the hand, ka pai. And then I want you to pull it back towards you and catch. This is called the shoulder hand catch. And if you say the words shoulder hand catch, it'll help you stay with the timing. You ready? Toru fa. Shoulder hand catch. 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 Kia ora. Now, some of you have done this move before, so we are going to make it a little bit harder. I want you to make these sounds after me. You ready? Boom, boom, catch. Boom, boom, catch. Boom, 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 catch. Boom, 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 catch. Now, what that sequence is, 2 singles, 1 triple. Now, when I say single, I mean single shoulder. And when I say triple, I mean 3 shoulders. So here we go. Single, boom, boom, catch. Single, boom, boom, catch. Triple, 1, 2, 3, and catch. Yeah, do it again. Single, boom, boom, catch. Single, boom, boom, catch. Triple, 1, 2, 3, and catch. Oh, should we jam it? Toru, oh, get our wire on. Toru, fa. Hey, boy, 40, 40, yeah. Again. Hey, boy, kori, kori, ah. Again. He poi kani kani mene mene pukana e. He poi kani kani mene mene pukana kata hikaru wa haue hi. Perfect sequencing, am I right? Yeah? 8 counts per line? But if I did it, you're always right. I know. So here we go. Toru fa. Hey, boy, 40, 40, yeah. 2 singles. Hey, boy, kori, kori, triple. 2 singles. Hey, boy, kani, kani, mene, mene, pukana, triple. Again. He poi kani kani mene mene pukana. He poi kani kani mene mene pukana. Hey. Let's put my point down so I can give you bucky bucky. Woo! It wasn't easy, but you gave it a red hot go. Yes, you did. What's that? Some of you are asking to make it even harder? Is it even possible? Yes, it is. Get your poi ready. Here we go. 1 to the shoulder. Boop. 4 to the hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, shoulder. 1, 2, 3, shoulder. 1, 2, 3, shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, bow, 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 and 1, 2, 3, 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 and. Now, it wouldn't be much of a kayako if I said, go, you just do that. Right? We have to break it down. And it's easier if you start on the shoulder. So here we all go. To the shoulder. All right, all right, all right. Over the top of your hand. Kia ora. Now, what we have to do is we have to flip that poi onto the other side. Yeah? But did you see my hand change? Yeah? Watch my hand. As the poi comes back around towards me, my hand comes back towards me as well. And then when I go back the other way, so that every time I'm changing direction, the palm of my hand changes direction too. And that's the secret to this move. That's the special trick to this move that's going to make it really, really easy for you to pick up. Okay? Here we go. Toru fa. Hey, boy, 40, 40, yeah. poria. He poi kani mene pukana e. He poi kani mene pukana. He poi kani mene pukana. Hey. Woo! You asked for hard, I gave it to you. You rose to the challenge. Ko hiki no te manuka, kia ora koutou. Awesome mahi. Ka pai. So should we move on to another move? All right. Sticking with the shoulder, because I love the shoulder work. Let's bring that poi back onto the shoulder. Kia ora. But this time I want you to travel to the opposite hip. Travel to the opposite hip. You ready? And go. Ka pai. Now let's not let the other hip feel left out. So let's take it around to the other hip. Kia ora, kia ora, kia ora. And then we're going to go back to a move that we've already done. Shoulder, hand, catch. Shoulder, hand, catch. Ka pai. Shoulder, hip, hip. Shoulder, hand, catch. Say it with me. Shoulder, hip, hip. Shoulder, hand, catch. Shoulder, hip, hip. Shoulder, hand, catch. Toru, fa. Shoulder, hip, hip. Shoulder, hand, catch. 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 Ka pai. And my daughter is 3. That's Ivy. And when Ivy does the shoulder, hip, hip, shoulder, hand, catch, she doesn't do the shoulder, hand, catch. She does one shoulder and then she just stays on the hip. So Ivy goes like this. And if that's what you're doing today, that's absolutely fine. Ka pai. You can just do whatever feels good for you. Yeah? That's the beauty of poi. So, one more time. Toru, fa. Shoulder, hip, hip. Shoulder, hand, catch, hold. Shoulder, hip, hip. Shoulder, hand, catch, hold. Shoulder, hip, hip. Shoulder, hand, catch, hold. Now, music comes into 8 counts, right? So let's count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cheesy smile. 7, 8. Ka pai? Awesome. Let's do it with a waiata though. Poi poi e, poi poi e. Re atu toru fa. Poi poi e, poi poi e. Re atu poi poi e. Shoulder hip hip, shoulder hand catch cheese. Shoulder hip hip, shoulder hand catch hold. Ti patu ti patu mai. Re atu ti patu mai. Ti patu ti patu mai. Re atu ti patu mai. Oh, hey, hey, ha. Oh, hey, hey, ha. Oh, hey, hey, ha. Oh, hey, hey, ha. Ah, get out of here, man. You guys are awesome. Whew. I believed in you, but I thought, they might struggle a little bit. And I'm watching you go, and I'm thinking, oh man, you're picking it up so well. Ka pai koutou. I'm really proud of you this morning. Here we go. Start putting it all together. Okay, let's do it. Let's put it all together. 4 catch, rainbow spin, shoulder hand catch, shoulder hand catch, shoulder hand, shoulder hand, shoulder hand catch. Yeah, and then 1 to the shoulder, 4 to the hand, and then shoulder hip hip, shoulder hand catch, hold to finish. Ka pai? All right. And I think the song that we should use this morning is, okay, so that's Frozen. Is Purerehua. You ready? Poi kamo. Toru fa. Purerehua rererunga ho spin. Papaki body do rererunga ho catch. Ka piki rungara e spin. Papa ki pariro, take it to the shoulder. Kata runga pua, triple up. Ka whāne hua, a pūrere hua. Ka tahi ka rua, ka toru ka triple. Ka re, ka puta e whawhe anō. Pūrere hua, rere runga hau. Papa ki pariro, rere runga hau. Ka piki runga rawai. Papa ki pariro, rere runga hau. Papa ki pariro, rere runga hau. Ka mau te wehi, ka mau te wehi. Kei runga no atu koutou, kia pai mai hoki. Wonderful, neat, all right. Awesome work, whānau. Awesome. Now that has frozen up, so she's out. But here's what I wanted to do. I'm going to actually give you a little bit of a poi challenge today. And your poi challenge is freestyle poi. Ka pai? Freestyle poi. And yes, roi mata, it is absolutely fine that you are enjoying this as much as the tamariki. This is kapa haka for kids, but actually, it's kapa haka for everyone. Yeah? So jump in, give it a go, and have a good time. Here we are. I'm going to sing a song this morning. The song is going to be Rona, and I'm going to be doing a whole bunch of poi moves in any order that I like. And I don't necessarily want you to copy me. In fact, I don't want you to copy me. Okay? I want you to do your own poi moves. Yeah? No one's watching, so give it a go. I'll sing, you poi. Yeah? Do whatever you like with your poi. Yeah? Just have some fun with it. Let it fly. Let it rip, let it beat, let it tap, all those wonderful things. You ready? Poi karite, poi kiamo. Tā koto ana taru wha, tā koto ana ui te moe ngā uri tūakea. Titiro ki te atarau kei rungara, te marama e whiti ana kei he arona, ke rungara. Piri ki te toho, piri ki te ngai au era, e rona e, au e rona, tā koto ana ui te, moe ngā uri tūakeo, titiro ki te atarau kei rungara, te marama e whiti ana kei he arona, ke rungara. Piri ki te toho, piri ki te ngai au era, e rona e, au e rona, ka tahi ka rua, au e hei. Woo! You see my turn? See I did the little turn in there? Cool, eh? Choice. What moves were you doing at home? Tānero was doing the poi floss, eh? Oh, too much. Who else had a move in there? Oh, the Fox girls were doing the poi dab. Oosh. What else? Oh, the poi moonwalk. Who was that? Gee. Those are my Michael Jackson dance moves. Did those moves at the Gammies. Alright. Wow. I guess we must be almost time to wrap it up. But before we do, I just wanted to say one thing about the poi. I told you I was going to talk to you a little bit about poi tikanga. And you know, when it comes to poi, there's three main reasons or three purposes for poi. The first purpose of poi is for playtime. Ka poi? The poi is for our tamariki to enjoy themselves. And not necessarily these poi, but there are poi games, but they're different style poi. Yeah, they're a bit bigger, a little bit more robust. So yeah, absolutely. Poi and these ones here, these poi are for our children to have fun with. It's a toy, yeah. It's a chance for them to just play. The second purpose of poi was for training. Yeah. So our warriors, both male and female, and all of our warriors would use the poi as a way of developing dexterity, suppleness through the wrist, hand-eye coordination, proprioception, and all of those wonderful things that come with turning your poi. Ka pai? And I guess the third reason, or the third tikanga for poi, is the poi that we see in our performances at Matatini, and that's performance poi, yeah? Poi for entertainment. So those are our three purposes for poi. There was play for our children, training for our warriors, and entertainment. Ka pai? Kia ora. So, one more song to see us out today. I'll sing it and you poi. Yeah? You can copy me if you want. Otherwise, you can try some of your own poi moves. Here we go. Toru fa. Me he manurere. Ahaue. Kuarere kitto. Moe ma. Kite o fitochi. Na na ue ue e. Te tata uri mai. Kei te moe tochi. Na na. Kei te oho te wai. Rua. Kei te hotu te ma. Na wa ue ue e. Te tata huri mai. Aue aue e. Te tata huri tahuru atoru wha. Hi aue hi. Hey, kia ora. Did you throw a little pukana in at the end as well? Bah! Too much, eh? Ka mau te wehi koutou. Nei rā taku mihi ki a koutou katoa, e hara mai i tēnei ata, ki te akona i tēnei taonga o tātou ko te poi. Thank you so much for coming along this morning and joining in some more learning for our wonderful poi, our wonderful taonga, jumping in on some of those new poi waiata as well. Now that we know them, we can just add them regularly into our repertoire of songs, and I will see you tomorrow for story time. Ka pai? Kia ora tātou. From my family to your family, our family, kia haumaru te noho. Ka kite anō koutou, haere rā.
Kia ora tātou, just